What if your keyboard has enough space in the middle to fit your coffee cup? Well, now you can. Unboxing the Nocfree wireless split keyboard built for comfort, designed for freedom. Fully split layout means you position each half your way, say goodbye to the restraint and hello to the natural typing. Hot swappable switches, buttery smooth feel, and that sound, woof, chef's kiss. Connected wirelessly via Bluetooth or 2.5 gigs, zero lag, wherever you work. Rechargeable battery that lasts for weeks because no one likes the mid-flow interruptions. Desk to cafe, home to studio, this thing goes where you go. Style it your way, RGB modes, custom layouts, key ramping, you are in full control. Perfect for developers, writers, gamers, anyone who types like a boss. Minimal, modular, wireless, the keyboard that finally works with you, not against you. Split the keyboard, multiply the comfort, try Nocfree, your hands will thank you.